sum. Record checking tarala in Tashit Dalek tarala.
Ashi delegela.
Oh, Debo imbe, Keran.
Nga depoyin. Tujushe.
Lasso. Now let's read this. Yeah.
Okay, moment please. Okay, now I can read. Uh, uh, nang cho ngo two.
Nang chu, ngo chu, ngo chu. Here. Agosunga. Okay.
Ako song.
The nang chu, labna hagosunga, interchange.
Yes, nang cho,
Or,
yes.
let's say method. Method here. Ngo chu. Introduction.
Okay.
Introduction.
True is introduction. Yeah, okay.
That's it. Now you can think of anything. Introduction of dharma, introduction of inner change, introduction of method. Kari inai.
Okay.
How goes one? Okay. That's it. Nangchu ngotu. That's it.
Yeah.
Rest of us can also write it down. How goes one? Nangchu ngotu. Like this. Tenilia, tilo.
Silka.
Cell mare cha gel.
Jelka.
Jelka means when you get a visitation with the Rinpoche, we use this. Jelka.
Like audience?
Yes, audience, like this.
Okay.
Audience Rakire means we'll get a visitation, we'll get a audience. Jelka.
Jelka. Okay, I have to remember that next time I go, I will use this word. Yeah. Jelka Rakire.
Now, if you want to ask question, Jelka Raki Reve, like this.
Okay. Jelka Rakive, okay.
No, you want to ask, will I get a audience or will I get a private visitation? Jelka Raki Reve.
Okay.
Hakosong?
Hakosong, yeah.
Okay. Ini dilo siya.
Ropa Napo. Shokpa is the shop I saw. Okay. Who said who interrupted me? Thank you.
This tujiche. Ni lobtu sol test
Ashidele.
Yeah. Okay, lasa. The shokpa ngapo. Shokpa ngapo. Hakosunge tarala. Shokpa ngapo labna karere.
Half. Shokpa. Shokpa and then Napo. What is the combined meaning?
Oh, ngapo early.
Okay. Okay.
And shokpa ngapo early morning. We know shokpa.
Yeah, Shokpa I know morning. Ngapo is early. Okay. Early morning.
Shokpa ngapo.
Okay. Okay.
This is.
Shokpa dile.
Then Dilothang. Let's read this one.
Chuma.
Chunma. We learned that yes in the previous class as a nun.
Yeah, Shunma, yeah.
Nun. Then yeah, Dilothang.
Kung Seng.
That's Kung Seng Lapna holiday.
Kung Seng holiday. Okay.
Kung Seng holiday. That's it. Then Dilo Arala.
Katak.
That's it. Katak. The white thing. The white silk thing.
Kata. Okay.
Tibetan use.
Yeah, kata. Yeah, kata. Okay.
How goes nga? Kata.
Hakosong kata.
Hmm? Olas. Yeah. Tene di lorona.
Shark.
That's it. Here, shak chatikre. It's a verb. What does it mean? It means put on the table. Shak. Chokse gangla shak.
Okay.
Papar
Okay.
chokse gangla shak.
Shark. Okay. Yeah.
Papar chokse gangla shak.
Shark. Okay. So shark is for everything that you put. Okay. Put
That's
on the.
not
Okay.
inside. On.
On. Okay. On. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
No,
Gangla. Mm.
that's it. Gangla shak.
Mhm.
That's
Yeah.
Hokla shak. You
Mm.
can put also under. But inside, you say, then you say, look. Hakosunga, put the tea inside the cup. At
Look.
the time you say,
Okay.
look here.
Look. Okay.
Hakosunga.
Inside.
But shak here is
Uh-huh.
more on the surface.
Okay.
Hakosunga. That's it.
On the surface.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah.
Hola.
Okay.
Dire.
Mm-hmm.
Ano tukjiche
Mm-hmm.
tirala.
Tukjuche.
Tarala
Tukjuche.
tiri namshi kandaduk.
Namshi Shapodu.
Namshi tsapoduk.
Shapodu.
That's
Yeah. But
namshi tsapo.
what is the night in the night? This is evening, bro. Gongpa is evening. So what is the night?
Gongdak or gongmo.
Gongmo. Yeah. Gongmo. Gongmo. Um. Yesterday. Uh. Uh. Kasang.
Mm-hmm.
Kasang.
Uh-huh.
Kasang. Gongmo. Uh. 22 degrees Celsius.
Ray.
Mm.
Huh?
Ray, yeah.
That's
But what is the word? Hold on. In the daytime, Ningkung,
uh-huh.
Ningkung, Ningkung, Thering, Ningkung, 32 Celsius ray.
That's it. Perfecto. Ring
Uh,
32 Celsius ray.
yeah. Okay. Tukju
Hola.
she.
Tujiche. Thank you very much. Ruba. Dineya Alex la inda. Rashid Alex la.
Test the game lah.
Alex la. Keranki. Tongmar. Or Tangpo. First time. Ruba. Heng Tangpo.
Tokma.
Nangchung Otu. Patu. Chungsong.
Um, um, 중도 어 중도내 낭체 모터 중 아니 um 낭체 냠len 체 um um 냠len 체네 um 로 um 로 니 니추 니추참 친소
That's it. It's been about 20 years. Raba, lo nishu tsam chin songs. Nangpe mo chwe chungne. Raba, pe ya song song. Ani Alex la, ngoma, keranki, lopte ming karire.
롭
School.
롭 nghe lốp training nghe lốp tra la mình yamare nghe lốp tra la ang just a number
Ang tang. Oh,
ang trang
tang.
ang trang yare 대 앙창 추 열애
Antang
추래
chupa re, chupa, tenth. Ruba.
추파
Mm.
롭차 추파래
No, that's it. Now here, Angtang number. How goes na? Angtang
앙창
na number re. Ale. Lop te nang la, lop truk katsu yore. Lop ten katsu yore. We learned that. Subject. Lop ten katsu yore. Lop truk katsu yore.
음, 음, 나 쉐김에 어, 야, 숨겨참 직체나 숨겨참래
Yore. Lop truk. Sumgyat sam. Yore. Hmm?
롭쭉 숨겨참 열애
Uh-huh. Lop ten katsu yore.
은 어, 예, 종아참 열애
Pemangure. Lobting chunga. Ale. Las. Hakosong. Yes, Tarala.
Again, ang trang, you said number. I mean, what in the sense, what number? The
Number.
numbers are
That's it. Just a number. Number.
what number?
Any number.
Oh, I see. Okay. So you call the number as ang trang. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So
Just
when you say commonly kapar angtang, phone number.
copper ang trang. Okay, I got it now. Okay, you say.
Kiranki kapar angtang karere. What is your phone number?
Okay. Okay, you say.
Olas. Hagos nga kapar angtang. That's it. Then if you see here, we learn jelka as a Darala taught me audience, Ruba, to meet with the special people, Ruba, jelka. Normally we use this for Rinpoches, Ruba. Here, how goes na? So, oh, come on, go.
Алло, Катерин, здравствуйте. Да, я извиняюсь, у меня сейчас просто звоночек как раз тибетский, если можно очень кратко, я вас чем. Ага.
Yeah. Now, if I make it into verb, jelka shu. Shu means to receive audience. Agosma jelka shu here. If you want to make it into verb. Ruba. Ta Alex la Alex la keranki. Keranki lama jelka shunyung yupe.
인다인 네 라마 라jelka 슈뇽 예
Agosma jelka shu here as a verb.
jelka 슈뇽 예
Agosma, that's it. Jelka shunyung yupe agosma.
Again, sorry. The shu nyong, the nyong, how did it become nyong? It's
Okay.
ma, isn't it?
Let me show you here. If I translate it, yes, I receive a audience, localization, right? But nyong means experience. So it's like you experience the audience. Something
Okay, no, I also want to know what nyong. How did it become nyong? It's ma, right? Ma and then rata.
Maya. That's it. Ma yatak nya.
Oh, okay. Mara, Yatagnya, and then okay. Yeah. Okay, now I got it. Yeah, look, just say.
Jelka Junyong Yu. That's it. Bây giờ một tổng sống. Ok. Ừ. Thế này thu chi chế Alex là. Thế này ya McGregor là inda. Ừ. McGregor là. Tashi dalek. Ừ.
다시 전화해.
계란기 종사 캔세 lumpuchi. Jerka shunyo yobe.
레 레 로치 로니 긴라 도지덴라 예 겐세림프시 um Jelka Jelka Shunyong
That's it.
Payin.
Shunyo yo. That's it. You just say. Hmm.
Not past tense.
No, just nyong is experienced. Agosna. Nyong is already past tense. Or you can
Okay.
just stop at nyong here. Just
Okay.
nyong. Like agosna. Huh?
Yeah.
So you nyong means something you experienced. Agosna. So it's past.
Mm.
For example, keranki mokmok sanyong yupe. But in English, you don't say, have you experienced the eating of momo? You don't say like this. In English, you say, have you eaten momo? Like this, right? But in Tibetan, we say this sentence like, keranki momok sa nyong yupe.
Okay.
Agos nga? Hmm? And then if you had, you can say, oh, nge momo sa nyong yu. Like this.
Okay.
Keranki North Korea la do nyong yupe.
North Korea la YouTube la Dro Young Yu.
That's it. YouTube la do nyong yu. Right? Oh. You've been in North Korea, which is inside the YouTube. Right? No. Something like this. How goes me? If you haven't, then do nyong me. Or sa nyong me. Che nyong me. Something like that. How goes nga? All us. 아니, 맥그레거라 걔랑 쇼빵 가포 랑야라 가포 유비.
Um 1 second. Oh yeah, yeah. Ngune chena tering nge tering shokpa ngapo tering nge shok.
Try, take your time, no problem.
Okay. Tering shokpa nge ngapo yar lang payin.
That's it. Ini 쇼빵 이 ngapo yar langpa yin. Diba? Or nge tering 쇼빵 ngapo langpa yin. Anything. Tapos nga, something like this. Paya wuduk. Yeah. Tata kerang kungsing repe.
Ngala tata kungseng mare yine pe sa pe what's Friday and Saturday?
Sa pasang tang sa pempa.
Okay. Yine Duntrak Chik Jela. Duntrak Chik Ngunla Sapa Song Tang Sa Pempa La Bodala Nge Kung Seng Ngala Kung Seng.
No, you say
Yeah.
kungsing tang pa yin. As a as a past tense, as a verb. Tapos nga, if you want to make this into verb, you use tang here.
Okay.
하고,
Okay.
이나양, 사파상 당벤발라 공생 땅바인. Something like this.
Okay.
하고서 되지. 야구도. 아니, 계란키, 림부체, 젤칼, 드로투, 카탁, 케르키, 옆에.
Yankyar Sungtang.
계란키, 림부체, 젤칼, 드로투, 카탁, 케르키, 옆에. Do you carry 카탁? Do you
Yeah.
bring 카탁?
Terki Yuppe.
Ker,
Ray Kier. Yeah, Ray Sa Pasang Ngunla. Nye Budala Katak Yer Nye Rim Nye Ker to get Dra Kar Kier
drink
Payin.
drink
Dre Kar Kier Payin.
No, drink myself. Raba, 하고서 The question was, Rinpoche and Jelkar drove to Kata Kerki Yope. General question. When you go to meet Rinpoche, do you carry kata?
Rinpoche Gel Rinpoche Gel sorry Yankyar Sungtang.
Rinpoche, Raba, Jel, Kar, we learned that. To meet.
Yeah.
When you go to meet, Jelkar drove to Raba, Kata Kerki Yope. That's it.
Oh, okay.
The answer is in the question. You don't have to translate English. Ruba?
Yeah, Rinpoche Gel Kardrotu Katzak Kier Kiyo.
That's it. It's in the question.
Yintak.
You question carefully. Hakosu. That's it. Rinpoche Chelkar Drotu. Katak Kerki Yu. That's it. Hakosu. Or, Rinpoche Chelkar Drotu. Katak Kerki Me. Chocolate Kerki Yu. Anything. You can bring anything. Hakosu.
Driwa Kier Kiyo.
Or, you can bring egg. You can bring butter. Mar kerki Ruba. Kada kerki mar kerki chocolate kerki anything. Or diwa kerki you bring questions. Ruba. How goes me? Something like this. Rinpoche jelka drutu karta kerki How goes nga? Any McGregor la keranki truck kapar shakpa in.
Truck?
Yes, your truck.
Oh,
Keranki
truck.
kapar shakpa in.
Kapar Chucky Nangla?
Mare, where did you put your truck? Keranki truck kapar shakpa in.
Oh, Nye truck Swayambula Shak Payin.
That's it. nge truck swembula shakpahin. Something like this. How goes nga?
You bring your truck with
Yeah, ngala truck shampoo you.
Yore yore. Truck pe chimbo yore. Rwa? Lasso. Then let's read some practice. Rwa? Tujiche mekragala. Tene Nikole da yana la yin. Yana la metok yin. Nikole la kyoka yin. Rwa? Loruna.
Nawang sa dawala kumbala sungchu yore lepsung hakosong
Re, ne hagoyo. За даваре. За давала Rinpoche nangcho notro kor la sungcho nangki re lapsong. Dedu natso nangmi tsangma drona jalka ragerwa.
That's it. We will get a audience, right?
re daktak re shokpa ngabo jogo rebe lopseng kap
Mare, como matsu.
jimare
Shokbanga base.
jogo rebe
Re, jok pangapo drogyo re, kanin serna, diosa ragi mare, mi pe mangpo lopkere, drapatan tsunma, pola tan molatso, ani loptruk tank mi mang pe mangpo lepkere.
That's it.
ale sa dawala pu jinja yuma rebe kongsen rebe
Re, bu genla ki kapar tangsong, gongsen ka relapsong.
That's it.
daktak re ani nga cho nangmi changma kumbala nga bo jo junla deya rakire wa rinpoche gi jekha yakpo rakire
You will get a very good jelka. Raba? Jelka yako rakire.
Re, and gappo dregore, dedu, den tan pecha kier görela.
That's it. Then we know carpet, right? To sit down. Then thang pecha kergerwa. We need to carry. Raba?
야야 아니 카드 장불 양 키우고 말베
Pö, labna incense.
부
Olas.
Re, dadun tchungchu yang kiergore. Dedun kapar deco nangla, jagna yak poyo re. Gyon pe nang kapar kiercho gemare, na?
퉁추 그
Tungchu labna
퉁추
drinking water.
퉁추 알레 아니 카바 테초 낭라 샥나 지기리와 타추츠 타 타추츠 시바레도 풀업 풀업자네 양기래 칼라서 고래 고아래
Me rock pajega kalaka karesoin.
That's it.
tukpasoyayin.
That's it. Tukpasoya yin. Pea boloso. Tukchiche Nicole Tang Yanala. Ruba?
Che.
Pea boloso. Very good. Ruba? Now let's try. Let's see if we understood or not. Ruba? Hola, sutine ya. Wang Chung Chung la inda. Wang Chung Chung la. Tashi the lake.
Let's do it again lah.
So Wang Chung Chung la. Dine ya. Keranki dilo ah. Let's read this. Yeah.
Ngawang, Satawala, Gumbala, Sunche Yore, Lapsong, Hakosonge.
Translate Chetan.
Someone say in April have Dharma teaching. Is it?
What do you
Do
mean?
you
April? Sadawa. Sadawa.
Sadawa? Yeah.
Monday.
Yeah. Sorry, says Sadawa. Sadawa means
Monday.
Monday. Okay.
Hakosunga. That's it.
Hakosong.
Monday la. Gombala sungche yure lapsong. Hakosungwe. Very good. Yeah, tene dilo.
Lele nge hako yue Sadawa la Rinpoche nangche ngodre gorola sunche nangile lapsong. I know that on Monday, Rinpoche will introduce Dharma teaching and give and he say give Dharma teaching.
Ruba? Ani? Tetu?
Tetu that time Tetu nga so nang mi changma rona jeka rabgirewa. That time our family if we go there we can meet Rinpoche.
That's it. Perfecto. Pea kusunso. Ruba? Tene ya Metoglak said what here?
Le dadale shoba ngabu rukurebe. That's good. Early morning. Should we go in early morning?
That's it. Pea kuloso. Tene ya Chogaki Karilapsong. What did husband said?
Re shoba ngabu rukur. We should go early morning. Because kaisena besar kimare we don't get some place we can stay. Mi be mambodu kire. There are a lot of people. Tapatang. There are some monks and nuns. Pula tang mula so.
And Molakso. Popo Tang Momo.
보보타 모모 아니 룹추당 미망보 미망
Mimang means public. Hakosunga. Mimang. Mimang.
So
Lepkire. Hakosunga. Oh yeah. Pea kusunso. Once you understood the sentence. Tujiche.
주지체
Hola, Sutinea. Epolina la inda. Epolina la, dine diloro na.
Re.
Dire ba?
Hui.
Dire.
Sorry. Ale sa dawala. Hui zinda. Yoma repe. Hungsen repe. Yes or okay. Then on Monday, the zinda. Son's class. My son doesn't have class or school, and it's a holiday.
As a
Is it a holiday?
That's it.
Hungsen Re. Yeah. Is it a holiday?
Yeah. Kamachi Goa, 1 minute. Tarala, yes.
La, you have to go back to the previous line.
No.
Yeah, no. Where Tok said Ray, Shokpa, la put on the next one. Down, one line down. La, God, lost. Where is it? Yeah. Kang Yin said na. Next line, Trok, Ray, so yeah, Kang Yin said na. Where does it say that no place to stay?
Desa means place to stay, staying place, right?
Yeah.
No, Raki Mare means you will not get place to stay.
Yeah, but then they're going to meet the Rinpoche, na? So it's in the Gonpa or something. So where do they need the place to stay? Why do they need the place to stay? That's what I don't
Seats.
understand.
You won't get seats.
Yeah, it's a place to sit down, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, not the place to stay, place to sit. Okay.
Yes. I mean, sorry, place to stay. I mean to say sit down.
Sit. Okay. Okay, Lasso. Thank you, Tujuske.
Holas. Titik bache. Teneya, Epolina la, tilo.
Re.
Re. Hui genla ki kapar tang song.
Song.
Meaning
Sing.
I called my son's teacher,
Mm-hmm.
Gungsen Re love song. He said that it is a holiday.
You didn't call the son's teacher. Here, where is the action to particle?
Sorry. Yeah, the teacher called. And said it is holiday.
That's it. Hussein Ray love song. That's it. Wah.
Tak tak re.
Ani ngacho nang mi
Tarala, mute.
chang ma.
Tarala, mute.
Oh, sorry.
Tak tak re. Ani ngatso nang mi changma bumpala ngapu dro. Okay. Our family. Ngatso nang mi. Our family will go early morning.
That's it.
Dunla de raggi rewa. Dunla in front. We will get to sit in front.
That's it. Tunla desa raki riba.
Rinpoche jel kha yakpo ragire. We will get to it will Rinpoche to meet. It will be good to meet Rinpoche.
We will get a good
good audience of good audience of Rinpoche.
That's it. Something like this. Kaya ako sungsong. Epolina la, tukchiche, you understood. So, dene maila inda, maila try chetang. Yeah.
Re, gapo dogore. Yes, Ari, we go. Tetu, gentan, pecha, kel gore ta. That time,
Then. Carpet, sitting carpet.
Okay. Carpet and 펜탕. 배차.
어,
캐르고레.
Ker means carry, Ruba.
오케이.
Bring or carry.
오케이. That time, 배차 and carpet need to carry.
That's it. 왜 몰라?
오케이. 야야, 아니, 하타탕, 보양칼고 말해배.
뽀 말이 뿌.
후,
뿌 랍나 incense. 네. 하고 싶나? Incense. We burn
오케이.
the incense.
오케이.
Incense. Incense.
Incense.
인센스.
That's it.
오케이, 아니, then, kata and incense. Also, no need to bring,
That's it.
shouldn't bring.
Shouldn't we bring katak and 뿌 also, Ruba? That's it. 빼요. 되네 딜로.
테트, 둔추양, 켈고레. Yes, tetu that time, drinking water also need to bring.
Now here, this is not tetu. This is tatung here.
타퉁.
Also,
오케이. 타퉁 also.
at the start of a sentence. Hakos na? Normally, in between we use yang, but this is a sentence connector as a also at the start of a sentence.
오케이.
양가순로나. Yeah, my love.
타퉁, 둔추양, 켈고레. 켈고레.
That's it.
테투, 파팔, 대추나라, 샥나, 야포요레.
That's it.
That time, mobile. Mobiles.
This mobile.
This mobile inside. 샥나?
Shak, put.
That time, if we put mobile inside, it's good.
Mobile inside. This is not inside. This is at home. Nang here is a home.
Okay.
That's it. Very good. Inside is also nangla. Home
Yeah.
is also nangla.
Okay.
Interchange is also nangchu. Buddhist is also nangpa, the one who goes in nangpa. So we use this nang in different aspects.
Okay. So if we put the mobile inside home, it's good.
That's it.
Okay. 곰배낭 kapal kerusoki mare.
That's it. Now here chok is like a allow or not allow. Choki mare
Okay.
allow. Choki re allow. Something permission. That's it.
So inside Gompa, it's not allowed to bring the mobile.
That's it.
Okay.
Normally it's better to leave the mobile when you're going to receive something.
Okay. 아래 아니 kapal 대처나라 샥나 디기레와.
That's it.
Then if we put mobile inside the home, we can do like this.
It's good. It's okay.
It's good. Okay. 대추초 시파 레드.
That's it. 다 추추 시바레두.
추초 시파 레드. 부럽다는 용기래.
Lopta ne.
에,
Yonkire.
높다 내 연길에. Then 4 o'clock.
Now, Ruba, tha is a shortcut of thata. Here.
Okay.
Tha,
Now,
thata, chuchu shipa reduk. Hmm?
now 4 o'clock.
That's it. Reduk is O moment. Oh, now it's 4 o'clock. How goes on?
Okay. Child is coming from the school.
That's it.
Kara sogore. Need to eat food.
Need to make.
So, okay. No sa, okay. Kara sogore. Need to make food.
Kalak sobres. Ruba?
Okay.
Very good. Good try. Yeah, Myla, try chair. Try.
Okay. Gero pa jego.
Hmm.
Gero pa jego. I need to get.
No. I will help.
Ropa is help. Okay. I will help.
Very good.
Kara kare soy. What do you eat?
No.
What do you make?
What will you make?
Okay.
No. Future
Okay.
tense. Ruba? Kala kare sogi. Something like this. Easy here.
Tupa soy. Make tupa.
That's it. We'll make tukpa. Hagos nga. Payako hako.
하고서
Jiche.
드시지.
Tried well. Now
Thank you.
read one. No problem if you understand or not. Ruba, you find it yourself or we will solve it in the next class. Hagos nga? We will try one more conversation. Hagos nga? Yes, Tarala.
Again, in the conversation, they said that, okay, we bring the carpet and incense, right? Carpet, you mean the carpet or you mean the, what do you call it? I don't
Mat.
think it's carpet, it's something like a mat, yeah?
Mat.
No?
That's it.
Okay, yeah. Okay. So it's the same word, huh?
In Tibetan, we use the same word. In English,
So.
we have different words, right?
Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. It should be like a rug, not a carpet.
That's it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, understood. Yeah, thank you.
Here,
Tunji.
if we look at here, the conversation before, the conversation between Metok and Kyoka, husband, and Metok as a wife. Now here, Ngawang is the name of the husband.
Okay, Ngawang, yeah.
Ngawang and Pu,
Pu, the son, yeah.
son and Ngawang. Ruba?
Uh-huh.
Walas.
Hakosong, yeah.
Let's try
Okay.
this. Yeah. Alex Tang McGregor in the. Yeah. Alex Ngawang in. Pu McGregor in.
맞소. 오, 대린 겐라기 카레 랍춤.
Pöyik genla ki nangchu ki korla lapsong lapsong. Is that the same as the usual LB? La pa lap?
No. Lop is a past tense of lop. Don't worry about lop as a teach. Right?
Oh,
Taught.
okay.
Now here.
Ani Zenrik genla ki Tering Semchen Tang Si Xing Dramidra Korlapsong Pe Kipo Chungsong.
That's it. Now here, if we look at here, lop is a past tense of lop, teaching. right? Normally we know jong, right? Now lab, teaching, or lop, teaching, right? Now here, Tibetan teacher, Pui Genla ki, Nangchu ki korla lapsong. Tibetan teacher taught me, here we miss the sa, action doer particle, right? Pui Genla ki, Nangchu ki korla lapsong. Ani, Senrik Genla, we know this, Senrik, science. Senrik Genla ki, rwa thiring semchen thang animal thang fishing plant da minda different kind kor about different kind of plant and animal love song thought pe kipo chung song yeah agosnga olas yeah tene dilo
Ale, 생의 곱생라 가고 옆에
hmm
Nga Senrik lop sen jongila pega puyu.
that's it
Ale, 탱상 갱나기 낭처 양 롭기두게
that's it lop here same as love agosnga his teacher teaching about Nangchu, Ruba, these days. Hmm?
Re palak. Samsam pe genla ki nangchu korla lopkire.
Uh-huh.
Ngatsu loptrala gumpa chung chung shik yang yure.
Uh-huh.
Gumpe nang
Uh-huh.
geshe la chik yures.
That's it.
Tsam tsam geshe la ki sung chunang kires.
That's it. This is a tradition in every Tibetan school, Ruba. Here, some Pigen Laki Nangchu Korla Lapki Re. Sometimes Tibetan teacher will teach about Nangchu, Ruba. Nangchu Lopta La Gompa Chung Chung Shigyang Yure. Hakotuma. Gombe Nang Geshe, we learn that the monk who is able to teach, who reach that level, we call them Geshe. Hakotuma. Before that, they are not able to teach, only self practice. Hakotuma. Something like this. Geshe La Chik Yores. There is one Geshe La in the school. There is a small monastery in the school, very common in every Tibetan school. And Gompe Nangla Geshe Lakchi Gyure. Sam Geshe Laki Sungchu Nankire, very common. They tell us stories, related to Dharma.
Again, sorry. Here, Lobchang, Ganfak, Gela. Here, the Nang is with the car in front. Why is the car in front?
Yes.
Sungcho Nangkire, yeah. Normally Nang is only Ranga, right?
No.
There is a car here.
Honorific for giving.
Huh?
It's an honorific for giving.
Okay. So when you honorific, then you add the car in front. Okay.
If there is no car, then it is inside. There is no meaning inside Sungchu. Sungchu nang is a verb here. Hakosunge tarala. Don't confuse.
But hold on, in the at the beginning, no cham cham hoyik genlaki nang cho. Here is nang cho. Okay, that's nang cho. Okay. So nang cho is only ranga. Then this is one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Thank you. Do you say?
Okay. Yeah.
Ale, 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 pe yakpore. Lobsen shenpa karela gabuye.
That's it.
Nga rimu triala yang pegapuyu palang rimu genla ki ming la drumare
That's it.
kong pe yakpuyure lobtruk sola pe yakpu chekires.
That's it. Treat very well to students. Ruba, love to so plural. Ruba.
Ale, 아니, lobsen karela gapo me.
Love saying Karila gapo me. McGregor la.
Nga angsi lobsen la gapo shetrak me. Kangin serna pe shop no nyop pe kangin serna pe nyop to tuk.
That's it.
And is it the same sentence, the next line, or is it a new sentence?
Different sentence. But
Okay. Kale Kalika is that tired? Kalika?
no. Kale kakpo, difficult. Lelapo, kakpo.
Kalikakpo yang duk.
That's it. Now Ngawanla asks, Lobsen Karela gapo me. What subject you don't like? Ruba? Then you said Angzi. We know Angtang as a number. Now Angzi means mathematics. Number, Angzi, calculation. How goes nga? That's it. Mathematics, that means. Angzi Lobsen la gapo sheta me. Kain serna pe nyopto du. Very boring. Kale kakpo yang du. Difficult also. Ruba? How goes me? Olas. Yeah.
Ale, angse hamakona. Palakang ame rokpa chigiri. Hakosongwe.
That's it. If you don't know mathematics, palathang amaki rokpa chikire. Parents will help you. Hakosongwe, like this. Ruba? Whether we understood this or not, we tried it. Then we will clear it in the next class. Thank you very much for coming. Trashi Delek.
Ashidele, tukjote, kokunka, sawadika.
사와디카 가분카.
Keep practicing. Reading, practicing. Ruba?
Yes.
So,
Okay.
제제.